Good morning, sir.
Good morning. What is your name?
Sir, myself Palak Mandal.
And what is your name?
Sir, myself Neha Vishwas.
Palak, you are A and Neha, you are B. Palak, introduce yourself.
So, myself Palak Mandal. I am from class 11B Science. My hobbies are singing and listening music. It really makes my soul feel calm and relaxed. I want to become a doctor in future because I love this profession. It was my dream since childhood. My father is an artist and my mother is a housewife. I live in Shakti Farm, Tagore Nagar. Thank you.
Very good. Uh, why do you want to become a doctor?
Because I love this profession since childhood, it was my dream.
Alright. Now, Neha, introduce yourself.
Good morning, sir. My name is Neha Vishwas and I was born in Udham Singh Nagar district of Uttarakhand. I am doing my 11th standard at A.U.G.I.C Rudpur. My father name is Mr. Sanjay Vishwas and he is a farmer. My mother name is Mrs. Meenakshi Vishwas and she is a teacher and a social worker. I love to read many general knowledge books and I like to draw in my free time. My goal is as to serve the nation as a doctor. I consider Subhash Chandra Bose as my role model. My strength is my mom and dad, and my depression is my weakness. And I believe in myself and my little hard work. My hobby is art, drawing, and cooking. Thank you so much for listening.
Okay. Why did you choose to be a doctor as a profession?
Sir, I love this profession and I want to serve society.
Very good. Now, this is second part of ASL. Here you will present your topics. First, Palak, present your topic.
Today I am very glad to get this opportunity to say something about peer pressure. It is the influence by the pupil to their peers. As a result, people start following their opinions and lifestyle. It is the situation when people want to accept it and valued to their friends circle. It is the youth of society that is destroying the mind of teenagers. Peer pressure may be negative or positive. These are of four types: unspoken peer pressure, spoken peer pressure, direct peer pressure, indirect peer pressure, negative and positive peer pressure. Some worry that other kids might tease them if they don't go along with the group. We can control peer pressure by talking to the person who is pressurizing. Thank you for listening to me.
Very good. Now, you ask some questions.
What are the problems that are affecting on a teenager life?
It is the youth. It is the youth that is destroying the youth of the teenager's mind. Uh, Thank you. That's it.
Okay. Now, Neha, present your topic.
So my topic is effect of social media. Social media is that spending too much time on it can lead to poor sleep. While it can provide a platform for your teenagers to express themselves, develop social skills, etc. It can also have some negative effect, instilling false messages, false belief, and violent behavior. Spending too much time on front of a screen may causes health and development issues. And there are some positive effects: better communication, building relationships and communities, offer kindness and empathy, a source of knowledge and learning, and growing business. Thank you.
Very good. Now, Palak asks some questions.
So, what are the disadvantages of social networking?
Instilling false messages, false belief, and violent behavior.
Very good. Now, this is third part of ASL. Here is a prompt for you. You both will read it and discuss. Take it.
One of our
One of your
neighbors
neighbors
plays
play
loud music every night. This disturbs you and the other neighbor. Since children are not able to study and other people are not able to sleep, discuss with your partner
How you can
how you can
convince
convince the person to not disturb others.
others.
First of all, I would like to meet that person and I would request him that not to play loud music, to play music in a low volume so other people will not be disturbed and they would be able to do their work nicely.
Okay. Very good. Now, what are your views, Neha? How will you convince?
The most common health problem it causes is NIHL, mean noise induced hearing loss. Loud noise can also causes heart disease, high blood pressure, sleep disturbances, and also stress. These health are all of age, especially children.
Okay, good. So this is end of ASL. You can go now.
Thank you, sir.